So we've successfully saved the user information into the database. And what we need to do now is to actually flash a success message or any kind of message to the user. And to actually do this, it's easy. We just need to create some kind of an alert block that actually keep track if the section has a kind of message and it's going to output that message for our users. So to actually do this, let's just go over our app layout. So right here, we're going to, so let's just do this right here, and let's just give this a div and call it class of empty 3, 2, 2, 2 is okay. So right here, we're going to give a condition statement, and the condition statement will be if. So let's just give this a variable of message, and right here we're going to say section, and this will be get. So if this section has a sources want to output an alert, so this will be div class alert sources. So this should be alert, yeah, alert sources. And right here we want to output the message. So hopefully this makes sense. I want to do the same thing for error. So and this will be danger. So hopefully this makes sense, and let's just go ahead and test this out. So right here, let's refresh first. So let's just create a new user. Let's just say new user, or let's just give it a rename Alex, and this will be code it's me at Gmail, and let's just save this. So you can see the success message right here, and also if we are putting an error message, this will also show an error message. So I'll see you next video, guys.